Meaning of flip phone.
Flip phone.
Flip phone.
Flip phone.
Flip phone. A flip phone is a type of mobile phone that has a hinge at the midpoint, allowing the phone to be folded in half. When the phone is closed, the screen and keypad are protected from damage. Flip phones were popular in the early 2000s but have since been largely replaced by smartphones. They tend to be simpler and more durable than modern smartphones, with longer battery life and fewer features. While they may lack the advanced functions of a smartphone, they remain a reliable and practical choice for those who value simplicity and durability.